register reference instruction recognized by the control when D7 equal to 1, I is equal to 0. That means register reference. Here concentrate this one. This is the register reference. D7 equal to 1, this is the 1, and I field equal to 0. Use bits 0 to 11 for the instruction specify the 12 bits instruction. 12 bits are available instruction register of 0 to 11, and they were transferred to IR during time T2. Three table control functions and micro operation for the register reference instructions. Okay, no need of these sentences. Here, and next one. Sorry, here register reference instruction operation. Already we have seen previously the actions here. Register reference actions. CLA, that means clear accumulator. See here, very important part. I'm missing here. Read this one. Each control function share Boolean relation like this. D7, that means I bar or I dash, simply it is called I dash or I bar, and T3. D7, where D7 is there? D7, there is no bar here. That means D7 is, there is no bar in the sense the 1, it indicates 1. I bar is there. I bar means I, bar is 0, without bar it indicates 1. So that I bar means it is 0. T3 means T3 cycle. What type of action is generated? It is executed means register reference action. So register is simply, it is Boolean relation is represented by R. That particular R is a continuation with some Boolean relations. That means R and B11. Clear accumulator. So clear accumulator. Accumulator, the action is here. Accumulator register completely it is filled with zeros. That means register all the values will holds all zeros. Clear E, that means E bit is 0. That means E means it is same as it is carry flag. Simply it is equal to carry flag. So where E indicates carry flag, so carry flag will holds log 0. Complement accumulator. So accumulator is bar. That means whatever the value inside the accumulator register, that every bit is complemented. That indicates 0 is goes to 1, 1 goes to 0. The complete binary information after complement, the complement binary information is transferred to accumulator register. Complement E bit. Only single binary information is there, carry bit. That carry bit is 0 goes to 1, 1 goes to 0. That complement bit is stored into the inside carry E bit register. That means circulate right. Circulate right in the sense here for understanding purpose we are going to see little bit operation. Here circulate right. Circulate right means if it is a register, that means AC register and E field E bit accumulator E bit right. This circulate right in the sense like this. Accumulator, it is a 0 bit, and this is the 15th bit. This is the 15th bit. This is the 0 bit. This is 0 bit, and this is the 15th bit. See here, circulate right. Circulate right in the sense, first it is shifted by right position. That means here accumulator 0 bit, 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, this is 1 bit and 2 bit and so on like this. Right here, circulate right. Accumulator of 0 bit. Accumulator, this is accumulator register. 0 bit is transferred to E bit. So accumulator 0 bit is transferred to E bit. Next, E bit is single E bit is accumulator 15th bit. E bit is there, it transferred to accumulator 15th bit like this position to this position. Next one, shift right side SHR, shift right side accumulator, shift right side accumulator. Every bit is shifted by 1 bit right side. That means accumulator 15th bit is transferred to 14th bit, accumulator 14th is transferred to 13, accumulator 13 is transferred to 12, like this. In this case, accumulator 1 bit is transferred to accumulator 0 position, accumulator 0 is transferred to E bit. This action will be represented by like this. So next, circulate left. Circulate left, the complete registers are like this, but action is reverse. So circulate left obstruction. Increment. Increment means accumulator is added with 1. Accumulator is added with 1. That addition after addition, that complete result will stored into the AC. Next, skip accumulator if positive. Skip accumulator if positive. If positive means accumulator total 0 to 15 values is 0. Sorry, if it is positive means it checks the MSC bit. Accumulator positive means it checks the MS 15th bit only. If it is 0, that indicates positive. Then PC is incremented. Because it is skipping, that means cursor goes to the next position. Cursor goes to the next position. Next one, skip accumulator is negative. If accumulator 15th bit only, because this is the MSC bit, this is the LSB bit. If the MSC bit is equal to 1, that indicates this is a negative accumulator. So if it is a negative, then it is skip, so that the instruction is skipped indicates the program counter incremented by 1. It points the address of the next instruction. Automatically the next instruction is comes into the picture. The present current instruction is skipped. Next, skip if E bit is 0. That means you check the only single E bit equal to 0. If it is 0, then the current instruction is skipped and executed next subsequent instruction. So PC is incremented by 1. So HLT, halt. So here halt means the complete sequence counter is goes to 0. It start the read the instruction from the memory. And one more instruction, new instruction, is starts and it reads from the memory and it's stored into the instruction register. That means halt computer. So this is the memory reference instructions. Next one, the effective address resides the address it was placed there during time signal T2 when I is equal to 0 and T3 when I equal to 1. Here these are the memory reference instruction. D0 indicates A and D. And D1 indicates add instruction, D2 indicates